Hi, this is Neeraj Kinvasara. I'm CIO at the World Trade Center Pune. We are part of WTCA. Good news here. This year was a really good year for us. We had about 100% growth. We were clinical about our B2B matchmaking between demand and supply, and those efforts seem to have paid off. We at World Trade Center have a very exciting partnership program, and we have used this program very effectively this year to achieve our business growth goals. This is also a breakthrough year for World Trade Center Pune in terms of customer acquisitions. Customers for us are from two sides, demand and supply. From the supply side, we have nurtured and strengthened the WTC Pune partnership program. We are close to 15 partners and growing. We are also diversifying our portfolio of products and verticals. From the demand side, we just shipped a container of low GI sugar to a Mexican customer. We have also set up distribution on this product in countries such as Brazil, Chile, Peru, Argentina, and 16 other Latin American countries. We're also working with a German medical equipment manufacturer to lower the cost of production and to help manufacture and distribute in India. So I'm going to talk about two or three that are on the top of my mind. First one's IoT. This year, digitization will pick up further in the trade tech world. So if you look at 2022, we are expecting about 18 billion IoT devices. Trade tech is no exception. I see a continuous increase in IoT-based logistics and shipping. Second one I want to talk about is blockchain. Now the companies have just started to look at blockchain and concepts like smart contracts. Then another interesting concept is getting closer to the port. So after the pandemic, regionalization has hit us, right? The regionalization is increasing. It is becoming more and more important for companies to get closer to their customers. We're working on this initiative with a major international port authority to open an Asia hub at their port. This will facilitate the Asian companies to get closer to the market and their customers and distribution points. Well, next 2 to 3 years are very interesting for global trade. We're working closely with the UN and are part of their effort for UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Future trends I'm seeing in our industry are a really different one is sustainable trading. We see this trend growing with many other countries adopting this model and contributing towards sustainable trading, innovation, and growth. Second one, which is also very interesting, a trend that will pick up is smart borders. A smart border design encourages the development of interconnected border agencies that operate in a trustworthy and transparent environment. The third thing that I'm going to talk about here, a trend that's going to be quite impactful in the next 2 or 3 years is satellite connectivity. So one of the issues facing international trade is seamless telecom connectivity in the middle of the ocean and air. Satellite connectivity as a technology is getting a lot of innovation and focus again. With global satellite connectivity, high-speed data connectivity will be possible even in remote areas and far oceans. This will help real-time digitization further.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.